This video reviews 3 examples of expanding and factorising. Now the first one is just a sum of 2 linear brackets, and the method here is just to expand both brackets separately and then to simplify your answer. So the first one is 3 times x plus 4, so 3x plus 3 times 4 is 12. And the second bracket, 2 times 5 is 10x, 2 times minus 1 is negative 2. Right then, 3x plus 10x we know to be 13x, and 12 take away 2 is just 10. So the answer is 13x plus 10. We have therefore expanded and then simplified to give a final answer. So this was the sum of 2 linear brackets. This is the expansion of 2 brackets times together. Now for this one I tend to use what I always call the smiley face method, which tells me what I need to times together. This can also be called FOIL, and you can also use a group method. But I do 2x times x. Well, x times x is x squared, so this is 2 lots of x squared. 1 times x is just plus 1x, but 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. And then 1 times 4 is 4, so 1 times negative 4 is minus 4. I then have to simplify my answer. Well, 2x squared, 1x take 8x is minus 7x. Take away 4, and there we go. That is the answer in its simplest form. The last question is a factorising question. Now, in this question we observe how there's y's in both parts of the expression, and a 6 and a 9. Now 6 and a 9 have a common factor of 3. There's also a y squared and a y, so they both share a y term. Now then, to get to 6y squared, the 3y must be times by a 2 to give the 6, and a y to give the y squared. There's a minus. Now then, to get the 9, there's already a 3, requires another 3. The y is already there, but there's an x left over, so I write in 3x. And again, just to check that, 3 times 3 is 6, y times y is y squared. The negative. 3 times 3 is 9, yx, yx. We've therefore factorised this expression.